Hello everyone, this is Alia, designer at Flow Interior. Today we are here to showcase our new duplex villa project, Mr. and Mrs. Shekhar and Sumalata Garu. Please come, I'll take you around. In the passage area, we have given a stone cladding with the Egyptian theme. The entrance we have given wooden paneling with brass inlays, and for the door we have given a brass handle which is creating an antique look. To the main door, we have used long tower bolts which is of gold finish, and we have given designer horse handles. As we enter, to the left we have planned a partition in between drawing and living area. We have planned some open space to keep our artifacts, and we have used matte finish laminates. And next to it, we have given some glass aluminium profiles with rose gold finish, and we have given provisions to place decor and planned some profile lighting to highlight the decors. We have planned a ascent wall with the marble fluted panels, and here we have given some ledges which is rounded off to give a smoother experience. And next to it we have continued the same paneling with laminate finish to matches with the theme. On top of it we have given an artificial grass, and to the corner we have planned some wooden louvers. In the living area we have given entertainment unit. Here we have planned TV paneling with the combination of veneer and with the beveled mirror. In the base storage we have floated with the drawers which are of soft wood. And in between we have given aluminium profile shutter to access the DVDs and set-up box. And as this area is big, we have given tower AC. And if you can observe, we have given switchboard of glass. And for the furniture, we have used L-shaped sofa with two accent shades in pastel colors. And in the center table, we have given a PVD coating. On the top, we have given marble finish with the beautiful grains, which is giving a luxury finish. To enhance this look, we have placed a Buddha, and below the staircase storage, we have given ample amount of space for the storage, and we have given the laminate finish. Next to it, we have given an aluminium tall unit shutter with the fluted glass. We have used this same chevron pattern to match the vanity paneling, so we have continued the same theme. For the puja, we have used the teakwood carving designs. Then for the doors, we have given a combination of wood cum glass. When we enter in the puja, we have given a base storage with the countertop and Italian marble paneling to all the sides. And for the false ceiling, we have given a CNC design of Sri Chakram. Here we have planned a partition in between dining and living area with rafters and some open units and with the louvers in the end. Let's talk about the kitchen. In the kitchen, we have planned an L-shaped kitchen with the island counter in the middle. Below the hob, we have given 3 drawers for the storage, and next to it, we have given 3 drawers for the cutlery, cup and saucer, and for the thali organizer. Next to it, we have planned a bottle pull-out. To the right, we have given a dustbin unit. Here, we have given a combination of shutters and flap-up units. To the right, we have given a roller shutter, and next to it we have given a pantry unit, midway pantry unit, and next to it we have given an inbuilt oven provision in the tall unit. In the crockery, we have used same laminate to match the kitchen, and we have given a base storage with the shutters. On top of it, we have given lacquered glass, and to the wall units we have given some open shelves and closed with the profile lighting, and to place the artifacts we have given a provision. Coming to the master bedroom, in the flooring we have used wooden finish tile, and coming to the wardrobe we have used 3-door sliding mechanism of Hettich and given lighting provision internally with using sensor. Right next to it we have given window seating with the base storage below. To the ascent wall we have planned with the combination of leatherite and golden tea putty. On either sides we have planned with laminate finish and continued same finish with the side tables. And in the TV unit we have given the paneling with the combination of marble and louvers and extended the paneling to give the lighting provision. In the base storage we have given combination of drawers and the profile shutter. On top of it we have given a lacquered glass. This overall wall we have planned with the louvers, and given hidden door mechanism which is connecting with the dresser and washroom door. In the children bedroom, we have planned in a different way. We have used certain tones of blues and whites, and to the headboard we have given the combination of leatherette and marble finish laminate paneling, which is giving a elegant look here. We have planned a large study unit with the drawers and paneling with fluted panels with the lighting and some wall units.
So coming to the staircase, as you can see, we have sensor lights given. And the glass fittings here and the lighting of golden finish is made out of PVD coating. And here the wall is highlighted with lowers. So coming to the extended walls, these are highlighted using the wallpaper. And here you can see a very beautiful mural painting, which is actually framed using gold beading. Entering into the family lounge, here we have a simple console table where the base is made out of gold finish of PVD coating. And here we have a marble countertop. And we have a beautiful artistic clock here, which is both traditional and minimalistic. And if you can see the fall ceiling here, we have given curved edges here, and the subtle co-lighting is giving a very cozy feel here. Here we are in the family lounge on the first floor. So for the accent wall, we have highlighted it with two different marble finish laminates and a solid. We also have given lowers here. Coming to the furniture, we have L-shaped sofa, and we also have a very traditional swing that is actually matching the theme. And coming to the fall ceiling, we have given parallel lines of profile lights to get that enhanced look. This is the master bedroom. Here, if you can see, we have used darker and lighter shades of beige here. There is a TV unit, which is a combination of lowers and stone laminate. And these are the base units. We have given both open units and the drawers, which are long doors. And then we have aluminium frame shutter here to access the set-top box. And for the wardrobe, we have an acrylic finish wardrobe of 3 tier. And if you can see, the edge binding is made out of 2 mm, giving the smooth finish here. And we also have sensor detector lights here inside the wardrobe. Coming to the accent wall, to accent it, we have used the leatherette. And on the other sides, we have given stone laminate. We have matched the side tables with the same kind of laminate. And then we have this wall, where we have completely covered it with lowers. We have a concealed door here, which opens into the dresser and the washroom. And as you can see, we have a sensor light here as well.